In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connected Devices. Now select Pair New Device at the top and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the chosen one. Then wait for the pop-up. In order to connect, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device and choose Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one, choose Pair New Device and click on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!